Alright guys, we're going to try something new today. We are going to be stripping the old paint off of our gas tank for the Shadow. So it's pretty ugly looking. Big old dent there. Here, you know, it's just, I want to make it look nice. And instead of sending it off, getting it painted, or buying a new gas tank, I actually really like to try it, fix it, and paint it up myself. So I'm going to be stripping the paint with Aircraft paint remover, and then try to fill up these dents, mainly this one, mainly just that one, with some filler, and then try to paint it ourselves. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm trying to use paint stripper, and it sucks. Now, more than likely I've just been using it wrong, but pretty much this is where I got to now. Now all of this has been done by hand pretty much, with drill, wire brush, because that paint stripper really hasn't been doing anything. I would lay it here and it would barely like bubble up, peel the paint off, so I got tired of it, and then the smell of it is pretty strong. So I've been doing this by hand. It took me a couple hours. Still got pretty much this whole side to do. Finish up the edges here, small piece here, but it's really looking better. Like, I'm actually tempted on just leaving it bare metal instead of painting it, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll knock this out real quick. Probably take me another hour or two to finish her up and get ready to maybe fill in that dent.
Several days later.
Well guys, finally finished stripping all the paint off of it. Man, I'm really liking natural finish look on it. Smooth. Really tempted to just keep it that way, but gotta think on it. It just looks real nice. We'll see what happens, but at least got this step taken care of.